want to make your videos look smooth and professional. Today I'll show you how to use keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. Even if you're a beginner, make your edits looks amazing step by step. First, what are keyframes? Keyframes tell your videos when to start moving and when to stop. You can use them to move things, change size, feed in, feed out, and more. Next, let's find the keyframes. Click your clips and go to Effect Control tab. Here you will see options like position, scale, opacity. These are things we can animate. Now let's add some keyframes. Click the little stopwatch icon next to position. This makes your first keyframe. Then move your timeline forward. Change the position and boom. Another keyframe added. When to move smoother, right click the keyframes, choose ease in and ease out effect. This makes the motion looks more natural, not robotic. You can also keyframes to feed music. Drag the music on your timeline and keyframe it. Click on the pen tool option and make a keyframe. Then move forward and make another keyframes. Then decrease the volume value. Now if I play the video, you will hear the fade music. Then you can use zoom in on a face. Go to Effect Control panel and turn on the stopwatch icon of this scale value. Then move forward on the timeline and increase the scale value like 120%. If I play the video again, you will see both effects. Make text slide in and out. Select text bar option and write the text. In this time I will write text. Double click the text and go to Essential Graphics. Fix the alignment and increase the text value. I will change font style and color. Choose yellow color here. Now I will animate the text. Select text layer, go to Effect Control panel and move it the text. Turn on the stopwatch icon and move forward. Then change the position and create a keyframe. Apply ease in, ease out effect. If I play this video again, you will see all this effect. Finally practice with one clips and try different animation. Don't try to do too much. Keep it simple and fast. The more you play with it, the better you get. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy video editing tips. Got a question? Drop in the comments. I reply to everyone.